The Realme 9 Pro or the Realme V25 is the second Realme device we are testing this year. We had tested the Realme 9i earlier, which did decently well in almost all aspects of build quality in the drop test, water resistance test without IP rating, and the bend test, except the poor scratch resistance as usual. So we are expecting a strong build quality and poor glass protection from the Realme 9 Pro as well. Excellent plastic case in the box as always, transparent but this time with a black tinge. Decent looks of the Realme 9 Pro's back with a shiny glossy plastic design and two huge camera cutouts at the left, though you have to keep wiping the plastic back to get rid of fingerprints. Realme is calling it the light shift design because life's too short to stay still. Supposed to change color from light blue to red on the sunrise blue variant just like in nature. Even though it's just 8.5mm thin, it still does feel quite sturdy in my usual trial bend. The aluminum alloy and plastic design should help the build quality, and we are 100% expecting it to survive the build quality bend test as usual. Also, great to see a 33W adapter inside the box for quick dart charging the 5000mAh battery. This time we are starting with the water test, and as you very well know, Realme devices never have any water resistance or an official IP rating for liquid damage resistance. Like for example, the IP53 rating which you find in plenty on many Xiaomi, Poco and Redmi Note series devices, which actually does great against liquid damage as proved in our water tests. Though the fun part is that, apart from the recently water damaged Realme Narzo 50i, Realme has also been doing a great job in water resistance despite the fact that it has no official IP certification in a bid to cut costs of production. Another place where Realme consistently does cost cutting is by not using oleophobic coating in all the devices except the X series, and as you can see is the same consistency going on also in the Realme 9 Pro. The water lying flat like an ordinary glass instead of showing repulsion. Another unfortunate thing seemingly happening right now is the distorted low audio issue, an indication of initial liquid damage, a fact which we have been stressing on many videos. But we are going to ignore that for once and now have pushed through to the light splashing round, where we have seen device displays die like the Redmi Note 8 and 9. Like most other Realme phones, the Realme 9 Pro also does not have a rubber sealant on its SIM tray, something which has not mattered till date since Realme's water resistance has been great even without it. Anyways, even though the audio has been affected by water entering through the ports, at least we are not experiencing other temporary issues like black screens or flicker, camera lens fogging, and not even the annoying headphone icon issue. The Realme 9 Pro is managing to do well against liquid damage in other departments of water resistance other than the audio issue. Realme 9 Pro was not able to reach the next round of light submersion due to the persistent issues of sound distortion and low volume, which actually recovered in 20 minutes, and everything else seemed to work fine after heavy drenching. But unexpectedly, we started seeing some new levels of screen damage within few minutes. Some weird screen burns, display issues, and eventually, never before seen, automatic random ghost touches on the touchscreen with sound. The Realme 9 Pro is the first water test fail of Realme in the number series. Anyways, the water test fail is not going to stop us to perform the scratch test, the one area where Realme have mostly failed in the past due to poor quality tempered glass protection and complete lack of oleophobic coating. A 16 megapixel f1.8 wide-angle selfie shooter located at the left side of the screen. Inside the main camera unit and the plastic back is the primary 64 megapixel f1.8 CMOS lens. 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens with an aperture of 2.2 and a 2 megapixel 2.4 smaller macro lens. Once again, the tempered glass production on the Realme V25 or Realme 9 Pro is undisclosed on the official website. All that it says is the 120Hz 6.6 inches ultra smooth display and absolutely silent about the type of glass production used on the screen. Obviously a cost cut like always, perfectly consistent with Realme all the way since Realme 1. That is the reason we are confident and discouraged at the same time that the Realme V25, also called as the Realme 9 Pro, will also fail the squash test and will not be able to handle the blade abuse. Unfortunately, but not at all a surprise, the undisclosed glass production isn't able to manage the blade, failing the squash test. The second fail in this video if you are counting. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, a video proof of structural build quality of devices. As mentioned earlier, we are 100% confident the Realme V25 or Realme 9 Pro will survive the build quality bend test, looking at Realme's previous track record and the trial bend. We are equally shocked and surprised, as you are, by Realme's first catastrophic structural failure, that too in the first bend itself. We actually expected it to survive easily like all previous Realmes. Instead, we have some massive internal cracks and LCD display damage on top of the water damage. From the back pressure, things seem to be a bit better than the first bend, even with that massive bend degree and flex. But the damage has already been done from the first. The Realme 9 Pro has been thoroughly disappointing, even with a new plastic, aluminum alloy and glass design. This has been Realme's first official, total and complete fail, in fact in every test, largely due to its poorly designed weak build. And it's obvious that Realme paid somewhat less attention to reinforcing the body. The Realme V25 and Realme 9 Pro badly fails the bend test, but we are sure Realme will fix things and be back with stronger builds.
Pull up and make it clap. Bust it down in my jeans.